your inner circle that helped you maintain that results? What were your old environments that helped you maintain those results? That's your old self. This is going to give you so much clarity. This is the invisible part that people are missing, but it's important to understand what got you where you are now and what keeps you where you are now in order to get where you want to go. And then the fourth column is your new self, the same list, but it's the new self that matches your ideal result, the new self that matches the new result that you want to produce in column number 1. So what is the new self-image that I must have? What is the new self-talk that I must use? What are the new standards that I must have? The new boundaries I must put in place in my calendar, in my life, in my associations, in my environments. What is that new self for me to be? Now, here's what's powerful about this. I'm telling you all, this is the most important secret to a transformation ever. And here it is. Took me a long time to figure it out and put words to it in a way that's just intimate. Like my whole life, I'm like, I get it now. And here it is. Once you get the B part right, once you get that fourth column right, the new self, it will automatically produce those new behaviors.